Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube vlog once again. Today I'm going to share with you what I do and how I spend my period day to overcome my cramps. So normally I don't feel like waking up. It feels so lazy and dizzy. I just want to lay down on a bed only. But this will not help me and it will make me more think negative and less productive. That's why I force my body to do some light exercise stretches and belly breathing, head massage. That's a must do for me. So I started doing it slowly, and during period time, so many emotional things surreal you go through. So you just need to focus on doing positive, being calm, and loving yourself, just taking care of yourself, thinking positive things. That's only gonna help you during this period time. And I always do that. Think positive. So after light exercise, this ginger and turmeric tea is my must for my pain reliever. It really works and it soothes my pain. It's natural antibiotic. And after that, I had banana bread for breakfast, just a piece with a green tea. Since the day was really warm, I just took some walk outside, and in the afternoon, I ate something like refreshing, light mixed fruit salad, lettuce salad. This is also my homemade whole mixed lettuce and fresh fruit salad. Even I didn't have appetite, I forced myself to stay healthy, eat healthy during this period day. I really self-care of myself. It's really important. Another important thing during period is you have to stay hydrated really very much, and you have to eat lots of um, easy and fibrous food. I think in my case, I every time hydrate myself a lot, drink lots of juice and fruits only. So this is the mixed veg noodle. Okay, just boiled one. I just had for dinner since I have my dinner before 6 with this beetroot juice. So take care of yourself during the period. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye bye.